Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are showing you how we can download the Minecraft for free and straight from the official website. So let's just dive right in and get started. First of all, open up your browser. You can access your browser for that and go over to Minecraft and type in Minecraft. After you type in Minecraft, you will be taken to this official site, this one right here. And you will be taken to this site. Within here, you can look out for the official Minecraft application. So you look out for the one that you would like to download and look out for it. When you do, you will be finding different options, including the option for buy now. So you can select this option for your Windows, Mac, or Linux, or your Android, iOS, Chromebook, etc., and click on buy now. Once you do so, here you will be finding these options, including two editions, which is deluxe and standard. So I need to pay a certain amount to go ahead and get your Minecraft application. So it is not a free application. You need to pay a certain amount if you want to use it. So the only way possible if you would like to use Minecraft for free is using their free trial. So what you can do instead is you can search for Minecraft free trial, or you can just go and type in Minecraft and type in free trial and hit enter. When you do here, you'll be finding free trial for different devices. You can select this option from a visual Minecraft site. And once you find it up, you can scroll down and you can see you need to select the download option from the below that is right for your desired device and sign in or create with the Microsoft account and launch the free trial on your device. So for that, you may scroll down and here you'll be finding two editions, Bedrock and Java edition. So you can just go over and look out for the one that you would like to download. For example, for Windows, you can select this option right here and just download it. Once it is downloaded, you can launch it on your device, and that way you can just go over and launch it, and the Minecraft launcher will start downloading instantly. You can just go over and open it and install it on your device, and just hit next and install it. After you do so, you can sign in with your Microsoft account here. So wait for some few seconds. There we go. And you can select this option of install. So click on this option if I have read and accepted the Microsoft software license terms and click on install. After that, you should wait for some seconds and sign in with your Microsoft account once the update completes. And you can click the play demo to start the free version of Minecraft, and you will be getting about 100 minutes of full gameplay, enough to explore, build, and test everything. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. That's how we download Minecraft for free officially and safely. You can just go over and do so. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.